G'day guys, it's Alex and
Ruben!
Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you another in a fine series of silver.
The Legendary Warriors series, Alex. We did a bit of a bulk lot last time. We had a bit of catching up to do in the series, but we're caught up now and we've got a couple of new ones. Well, today just one, but there's still a couple to go in the series, which is super cool. So we have Sitting Bull here, the famous Native American chief and fighter.
Indeed.
I've had to do a bit of a rushed history lesson, Alex. I was asking you some questions before. I think you knew a lot more of this off the top of your head, but I've been scouring a Wikipedia article to catch up.
The great Lakota leader?
Yeah, it's definitely an area of history I'm not as familiar with, but I've learned a few facts for you. It was originally born as Jumping Badger. Before being given the name, and the name he was actually given, I think, more correctly translates to Buffalo Bull Who Sits Down, but just
I prefer Sitting Bull myself.
Yeah, commonly referred to Sitting Bull. But yeah, it's been very fascinating. I'd recommend reading it if it's not an area of history you're familiar with.
And similar to the other releases, it's extremely well detailed.
Got to throw that in at least once. That was a word I'm going to say overused. But yeah, let's take a look at the round here.
All right, so look at that. That's got a lot of great detail, beautiful backgrounds. Another great fitting round in this silver series. And apart from being incredibly well detailed, the other thing it has in common is what you just mentioned before. It's a great opportunity to have a look and look at the history of each of the legendary warriors. And especially like what I'm doing as well is buying them for children or for my daughter and some other of her friends, and encouraging them to look into the actual history of said warriors.
Because we did like a bulk lot last time, that's it. We didn't really get to go into too much of the individual stories of each of the warriors that we looked at. So that's it. Yeah, it is a great opportunity to learn some more about these people, and I definitely have. We've been selling some of them, and yeah, I've looked at a few more of their stories. So very, very cool series. Yeah, as the joke has now become, the level of detail is genuinely incredible on these. They've done a fantastic job, particularly given the price. And I think it's a really cool series to get on board with, particularly because so many are available all at once. I think it's sold out of a lot of them, if I'm honest, or at least very low numbers. So that is the one downside of a lot of the other ones in this series. But if you had collected those other ones, this one's a great one to pick up as well.
That's it for today. Get in while you can, because yeah, as Rube's mentioned, some of the others went extremely, extremely fast. Nothing as fast as, of course, the Greek/Macedonian warrior, which, of course, living in Melbourne, that was first to go, but it will certainly be quite popular.
Very cool. Thank you very much, Alex. We will see you in the next one.
See ya.